How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. Today I'm going to review this Conbrov world's smallest Starlight dash cam. Now what does this mean to be a Starlight dash cam? Does this mean that it can record in very low light without very much noise? Let me unbox this and test it out for you guys. The front of the box looks like this. The bottom has a QR code. The top shows various resolution over here and these features which we'll go over. World's smallest Starlight dash cam, 1.5 inch LCD, so it's a pretty small unit over here. 110 degrees wide angle. 90 degrees is like this, something like that. It says this has motion detection where it can start recording only when it senses motion. High quality video which records up to 1080p. G sensor where if it senses something crashed then it would lock that file. Their cardboard thing. Conbrov.com VIP and get free SD card for your new product. How do you become VIP? Does this card mean I'm already VIP? Because it's a card already. And over here is, whoa, this is small. Oh my goodness, I did not expect it to be this small. Okay. Wow, I thought it's gonna be like something like this. Now this is small. Okay, let me get a closer view over here because it's too small for the camera. You guys see this? Oh. This is comical how small this is. Okay, I wonder if it has a battery. No, you need to plug it in. This thing has this metal ring over here which makes me think you can turn it, but you can't really turn it. It's just a basic lens inside some sensor thing. And it's just gonna do a very basic thing. One camera angle, and it's gonna record that. What else is in here? A cardboard insert. A little suction cup thing. When this is so small, it actually needs less pressure over here, and it'll still get stuck to the windshield. Okay. Lock it in like this. Wow, this is pretty light. It's just like this. This is interesting. Let me pour out everything else here. Warranty card, a user manual, micro USB cable, micro SD card reader. It's nice that it comes with one, but I already have one. It's probably really good if you don't have one and it comes with it. It's nice that it even gives you a little pin thing to push the reset button. Normally you just go hunt around for a little paper clip. And here is the charger thing. You gotta plug this in and power everything. So all I need to do right now is add in a micro SD card and we're good to go and we can go test this out. It looks like the cable is gonna come in from above because if I stick this to my windshield, it's gonna hang this from above down and then I can connect this somewhere, you know, snake it across the top and it would come down from the top in here. So let's just take this out and see how it performs.
The number one thing that you guys asked for when reviewing dash cams the last time I did it was nighttime view. So right now I'm going to take this camera out on a nighttime view because it says it's a Starlight camera, and then I'm going to see how well it actually does. So let's just go for a drive and record some nighttime driving. Do note that this video and audio is recorded from this device that I'm reviewing right now. The highest it can go is 1080p. It can also take pictures up to 12 megapixels. Right off the bat, I noticed that the exposure is fixed, so it won't actually do auto exposure to try to figure out the best exposure for whatever lighting condition and try to compensate. if I look straight at it like the camera is right now, you can kind of see the road and stuff. This little screen is really tiny to be able to see anything while you're driving. If you're off at an angle like this, you can see that it becomes even worse because I have the camera set a little bit off to the side. By law, you're supposed to do this. Then I can't see what it's actually recording. So from this, you have an idea of how good the LCD is. It's not very good. And right now it's playing back audio as well. But I think the selling point of this thing is that it's really tiny. It'll be out of your way while you're driving. You don't really need to look at the LCD. If you really want to see what you recorded, you got to bring your micro SD card back to your computer and look at the video from there. Check out how small this thing is. And then you look at the back, here's the LCD. This thing is pretty simple and very, very tiny. I went on Amazon and checked them out. Turns out this Conbrov company also makes spy cameras hidden inside picture frames and also other kinds of spy cameras. So I think their market used to be spy cameras and they made a whole bunch of them. Maybe they wanted to expand into other markets. And then they just kind of made this thing where it has an LCD and all that because it's just adding a little bit more features, and then they can sell it as a dash cam. The micro USB in over here, the reset at the bottom, up and down buttons, option button, OK button, mode button, and also power button. Now when you connect this, it does auto on and auto off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nighttime footage and daytime footage from this camera along with the audio that it recorded with it. Looking at the video, it's not like super duper quality, but I'm surprised at how good it is coming out of this tiny thing. So being a less than $50 dash cam and working as intended and also being very, very tiny, I would actually recommend it. Thumbs up. So thanks for watching this review video of this Conbrov micro dash camera. If you're interested in supporting the channel, I have an Audible link down in the video description below where you can get a free audiobook. I have a Patreon over here, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.